let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible, I'm irresponsible.
So this is a combination of two workouts, that is dumbbell press along with dumbbell flies. So I want you to guys to use the same dumbbell without dropping it for 12 counts or 15 counts. Just watch what I do. So I'll start off with flies first, 12 counts of flies. So the position of the flies is very important. When you open up, try to open up wider, and when you close in, try to make it a V, where you squeeze it up. And then open up. 4, 5. Once you're done with flies, go for the chest press position. Drop the dumbbell exactly on your sides of the chest. Hold it for 1 second and then drop it here and then push. Don't just bounce it. I want you guys to drop it, pause, then give a push. Drop it, pause, and then push. Drop it, pause, and then push. The reason why I'm asking you guys to pause is to break the momentum, or else most of them would do this. Just check out. Yeah. I don't want this to happen because most of the weight is taken off with the momentum. I want you guys to break that momentum, pause, and then use only your muscles to push harder to the top. Drop, pause, and then push. Drop, push, drop, push. So this, go for 12 counts. So both put together, 12 and 12, or if you can go for 15 and 15, you would see the burn that you feel on your upper chest. You can try it with the flat bench also, but I always prefer the incline because I always concentrate on this part of the thing which is always ignored. So this is a very good exercise. Once you feel the burn, you would do it again and again. So go for 3 sets of 15 with the maximum weight what you can lift for flies and press.
So now we are moving on to the cable crossover machine. I'll be doing 3 sets of 12 reps each, and in the end of each rep I'll be holding the contraction for 1 second.
To be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
So I did 3 sets of cable crossovers.
And this is the finisher move, what I call as the pullover workout. So I'm gonna use one dumbbell in here. So let's start with this one only, my favorite. Look at the grip, which I'm gonna use here. How you're gonna hold it. What you're gonna do here is just take it back, close to your chest, and take it back again.
Times talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes, steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Keep the dumbbell to a point where it's just in line with your chest. You can feel the contraction here. So guys, again we're gonna do 4 sets of each, 8 and 10 to 12 reps each. So this was it for today. For more such videos and workout routines, you can log into bodyandstrength.com.
That's all for today. See you. Bye-bye.
While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating.
Yeah.